Hello everyone, this is Alena. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you the easiest way of decorating scrapbook pages. I prepared a scrapbook which is made of chipboard sheets bound together. If you want to learn how I made this scrapbook, you can watch the video tutorial I linked in the end. All dimensions of this album can be found in the description to this video. I'm using Butterfly Kisses collection by Bo Bunny. The paper is very bright with lots of glitter and is perfect for my Easter project. I have 4 bigger pages which will be attached to the cover and 8 smaller pieces for inside pages. But first I need to decorate them. When I open my scrapbook, I'll have a placeholder for a tiny picture on every left page. The size of the photo is going to be a quarter of a standard picture, 4 by 6 inches. I am not going to glue it to the page, it will be just an insertion. When I start planning what I should use to decorate, the first answer is always cut anything possible out of the paper. I found a page with cute glass jars and I'm going to use them almost on every page. Also, I made small flowers and some die-cut leaves. I usually make die cuts using paper from the same paper pot or the paper that has similar colors. Wooden chipboard shapes are very affordable. They are very light and therefore they will not damage pages. It is also very easy to decorate them. First of all, I cover the chipboard shape with white acrylic paint. When it dries, I use glossy accents on top of it and sprinkle with lots of glitter. Green is a very bright color, so I'm using only 3 colors on this page. You will see in this video, most of the time I stack die-cut leaves of different sizes on top of each other and the flower on top of it in the end. Second page is also very bright, but it will be almost fully covered with white paper. This paper strip with flowers and bees will hold my recipe. I always try to create lots of layers. Here, for instance, I have a glass jar, Easter eggs, leaves, flower and bows. Decoration pieces on every right page are going to hold recipe paper. Therefore, I glue only narrow edge of it to this page. I am using this big doily to hide a very busy pattern of background paper. I'm also using lots of decor to hide this background. This last jar has a layer of chipboard attached to the bottom of the jar, which lifts it a bit. It's needed to make the wooden egg fit underneath. I'm trying to create multiple layers on every page. This yellow bunny will match yellow X on the other page. I added only tiny layers of the glue to the edges of these green circles. These are my last two pages. I chose more toned down paper placeholder to hide this busy background paper. The upper part of the jar is not attached to the pink paper, which will let the photo slide underneath. The cover has paper on it and is ready to be decorated. I am using second part of the doily I used prior, adding another layer of paper with chipboard underneath it to lift top layers, using another jar to decorate. I decided to have a big flower in the middle of my cover. And the last touch, I'm adding the title. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube know you want to see more from me, or you can also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.